What's up YouTube? In this video I'll show you how to download and install fonts on Windows 10. Technically this install process will be exactly the same on all of the Windows machines. So if you have Windows 8 or Windows 7 or whatever, this will also work for you. So we need a font. Pretty popular site for fonts is this dafont.com, so we'll just download a font from here. You can search and pick whatever you like, but I'm just gonna get this lovely home font and I'm gonna download it to my downloads. Just remember where you're saving it. Now I'm gonna open this folder and I'm gonna extract what I downloaded here. Depending on which programs you have, you may have RAR. All you need to do is just unpack the files that are inside there. So when I click extract all, this gives me an option where I want to extract it. So I'm just going to extract it to the default location, which is the same location here. So now when I open this folder, I have this TTF file. That's all I need. So I can just I can copy this file, and then I can go to my C drive, Windows, and now that's the important part. So again, C drive or wherever you have your Windows installed, then you go into your Windows folder, and then there is this fonts folder. Once you're inside fonts, go ahead and paste the font that you just downloaded, and then you'll get a window like this. And that's fine. You can just give OK, and then your font should be downloaded or should be installed. Now if you search for Lovely, there we go, we have Lovely Home font installed on our system. Now to just double check that it actually works, I'm gonna go to Photoshop and I'm gonna try to use that that font in Photoshop. So let's do a new document, go in here and try to search for Lovely. There we go, we have Lovely Home. So now whatever I type is actually going to be in this new font. So that's the tutorial, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and share the video if it helped you out. If it didn't help you out, you can thumb it down. Anyway, thank you for watching and have a good one. Take care.